My name is Jonathan Hargreaves, and in this TRN Taster I'd like to show you how to work out the perimeter of a circle. The perimeter of a circle is also known as the circumference. The formula to calculate this is C equals pi times D. D is a diameter, and a diameter works from one side of a circle to the other whilst passing through the centre. Pi is a mathematical constant and will always be referred to as 3.14. So in our example, the circumference of this circle will be 22 times 3.14 d times pi, which equals 69.08 centimetres. So let's have a look at that and work it out ourselves. We have here the circle. So if we draw a line from one side of the other whilst passing through the centre, we know that to be the diameter, and in this case it's 22 centimetres. Using our formula, pi we know to be 3.14. Pi 3.14 times 22 equals 69.08 centimetres. Quite a simple formula to use. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for listening to this TRN Taster, and I hope to see you soon.